Welcome to my channel, Building Healthy Foundations. My name is Dr. Amy. I have over 18 years of experience in the healthcare industry. I'm a pharmacist, certified functional medicine provider, and a nationally certified health coach. The purpose of my channel is to create videos to educate you and others so that they can be empowered to take charge of their health and build your own healthy foundation one brick at a time. I provide educational videos on using food as medicine. I am also very passionate about the safe and effective use of supplements and medicinal plants. It's one of my favorite things to talk and teach about. I hope that you'll join me and subscribe so that I can help you on your healing journey. I've also put a link to my free workbook in the description if you'd like to grab a copy of that and get started on healing your body as well. Again, my name is Dr. Amy, and I wish you good health.